A little something different today. I don't ever do unboxing videos, but that's because there's a plethora of them out there usually, and there's not that many for this RC model design. This is from Vietnam, conveyor belt system. I ordered the 24th of November, arrived December 14th to Kentucky. So they shipped December 9th from Vietnam. So 5 days from Vietnam to Kentucky, that's pretty good. I haven't even opened this yet, just cracked it with the pry bar. They had it taped up and nailed shut. Made a wooden crate for it. Let's take a look, see what we got here. Looks like very well packed. Ladder system. Legs to hold it up. I like that paint job. I wanted the red. I was afraid it was going to be a really bright red, but I really like that red. It matches my low boy. Battery box. That's nice. Hopper conveyors all in one piece, everything individually bubble wrapped. Looks like it all got here in one piece. No dents, no dings, no nothing. Ladder for the catwalk to go the whole way. Very skilled look to it. And I wasn't expecting the control box and power system. Whole box of hardware, or a whole bag of hardware. Oh, it's actually in a lot better shape than I expected it to be in. It's a lot nicer than I expected it to be. It's about the length I was hoping for it to be. And everything's in good shape, so there you go. I'm not gonna make this a long video. I'm not gonna completely take it apart and all that. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and let everybody know that I even had issues. I gave them the wrong email address. I had not signed up for an account. So anybody's looking to get a trommel or conveyor belt or rock crusher or any of the heavy equipment, RCModelDesign.com, go on there and make yourself an account and then place the order through that so it can be tracked and you can communicate a lot easier. They did respond to every email I sent within 24 hours. And like I said, this thing got here in 5 days. It took them from November 24th to December 9th to process my order, get it built, get it packed, and get it shipped. So not too bad whatsoever. I'm really impressed with them. And I got a great deal on it. So same thing in the US would have cost 3 times as much if you could even find anybody to make it. I don't know that anybody makes these, but anyway, just figured I'd share. Everybody have a great day.